Have you ever pondered the power of a single moment? How one decision, one action, one chance encounter can change the course of your life forever? Imagine a young woman, let's call her Jane, standing on the precipice of her future. She's been offered a job in a city far from the familiarity of her hometown. She's scared, but she's also excited. She takes a deep breath, signs the contract, and just like that, her life changes. Now consider a man named John. He's been working at the same job for 20 years. It's steady, it's comfortable. But deep down, he yearns for more. One day he stumbles upon an old guitar tucked away in his attic. He strums it, letting the music fill the silence of his heart. He decides then and there to pursue his passion for music. And just like that, his life takes a new direction. Life is not about the destination but the journey. It's about the choices we make, the risks we take, the moments of joy and sorrow that shape us into who we are. It's about the strength we find within ourselves when the odds are against us. It's about finding beauty in the mundane, courage in the face of fear, and hope in the midst of despair. Kindness, too, has the power to change lives. A simple smile, a helping hand, a word of encouragement can ignite a spark of hope in someone's heart. It can start a ripple effect, touching lives in ways we may never know. Unity, on the other hand, is the glue that binds us together. It's about celebrating our differences, embracing our uniqueness, and standing together in solidarity. It's about understanding that our strength lies in our diversity, that we are more alike than we are different. But remember, your life is your story. It's your masterpiece waiting to be created. Each moment is a blank canvas waiting to be filled with your dreams, your passions, your hopes. So don't just exist, live. Don't just dream, do. Don't just hope, act. And most importantly, don't just keep your story to yourself. Share it, inspire others, create change, unite the world. Because you never know, your story might just be the inspiration someone else needs to change their life.